What's up, everybody? Once again, it's your boy. It's been a while. Welcome to Coffee with Don. Got mine, better get yours. So, somebody asked me what type of coffee do I drink. I like community coffee, cafe special. And I also mix it with southern butter pecan creamer with a shot of peppermint syrup. And you can find the butter pecan in your stores, usually like Walmart, Kroger's, whichever. Anyway, that's what type of coffee I drink. So today's episode, I wanted to talk about supporting family and friends businesses, which a lot of people don't really do nowadays. And I don't know, maybe it's because they know who you are and just don't like you. They hate on you. It could be a number of things of why they don't support your business, but a lot of family members tend to go to other businesses before they shop with their own people. And even big corporations, they prefer to shop online, big corporations, and they'll trust those corporations before they trust you, which is kind of weird because they actually know you. And do you think that's wrong? What do you think about if you have a business? Does your family support you? So it's something to think about, and I want to just bring that up and make a topic out of it. So I'm sorry, I keep looking off because my coworkers are about to walk in and make noise, but keep it quick. So channel updates, keep you guys abreast of what's going on with me on the website. For those who don't know that I have a website, it's downsouthdon.com. Check it out. It's mostly biker apparel. Got some new leather jackets in, which is that season again. Hoodies, ladies and men's clothing, biker apparel, t-shirts and whatnot. Also, I have the new bulletproof backpacks, which is the tactical, starting out with the largest, which is the tactical. If you want something more subtle, then I have the civilian 1 model in black and gray, and the sport, I have the sport model, which is a little bit smaller, usually smaller, I guess adolescents or women or smaller guys. And then I have the smallest one, which is for kids, and you can check that out on the website. I do have Bug Slide back in stock right now, which you should not ride without the slide. And this actually works better than any other wax. It works on vehicles, inside your helmet to prevent fog, a number of things. So anyway, here come my coworkers. Excuse the noise, but it's actually gonna work out pretty good if you choose to use this in any of your application, any surface. You can use it on your car, your 18-wheeler, especially your motorcycle helmet, and on your motorcycle to polish it and shine it. And it works on all surfaces, hot or cold, so it doesn't really matter. And you can also check this information out on the website. But once again, Bug Slide, don't ride without the slide, and it melts the bugs away. So without you scratching the surface, then you can pretty much just spray that on there, wait 30 seconds, wipe it off, done deal. And it smells great too. So anyway, those are the few things that are going on with the website. But one of the biggest things that I know, some people say, hey man, I'm falling upon hard times, or money is kind of tight. Totally understand that. So that's why I am now a proud partner of QuadPay. QuadPay is basically where you can set up whatever you want to buy in 4 interest-free payments. You gotta love that. So no penalty, just pay it in 4 payments, break it up, whether it's $1,000, pay it in 250s. I mean, you get it. So tell me what you think of that. And that's pretty much what everything that we have to offer. So some of you guys that want the bars, now's a great time to get them. break those bars up in 4 payments. And now it normally would have to be over $200, but right now we're doing everything. So if it makes sense to break it up in payments, do so. But this does allow you to get multiple items and then break the payments up, and hopefully as long as you can pay it. Anyway, so wanted to tell you guys about that. This is my channel update. I will be sure to get more videos up again. I do have a lot of product reviews, just been so busy because I also sell Jeep parts. So some of you guys that have off-road vehicles, I am working on my site for the off-road vehicles, which is, my company is called Jeep Life Off-Road, which you can also find on Instagram. And the website will be called Jeep Life Off-Road Parts, or Jeep Life Parts, .com. It's just a lot going on, and maybe I have my hands in too many things. But anyway, back to the topic. Tell me what you guys think about shopping with your friends and family who have businesses and supporting them. And let me know, do you support somebody that you know or somebody that you don't know? Anyway, thanks for being here. Be sure to like and subscribe. I promise I have more videos coming. Down South Don, I'm out.